Hey guys, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. This is Ashank David, and in this video, we are going to talk about how we can install Python in 2025. This is a quick setup guide that you can follow to install Python easily in your Windows machine. So let's start. The very first thing that you need to do is go to Google Chrome and go to this website called as python.org, where you will see the website looking like this. As of now, in 2025, this website looks like this. We'll directly go to downloads. Just hover your mouse over downloads tab and you can just click onto this Python 3.13.5. As of for the time of recording of this video, guys, in 2025, this is the latest version. In future, this might change. You can still use the same video as well for the installation of the further future versions also. Until and unless we create another video, you can safely use the same video to install. What I'll do is I'll just click onto it and it will ask me where to download this. So I'll just download it into my default download folders. And here I can go to my download folder and you can see that here I have that set up. What I'll do is I'll double click and open this up and this will open up the installation wizard. So I'm back on my home screen, and what I'll do is rather than doing install now, we will do a custom installation, guys. This is very important, guys, for your AI ML stuff also that you will be using later on. Okay, so I'll do custom installation. You don't have to worry about anything here in the optional features. Just make sure that pip is ticked, and you can, this is optional, but you can install ideally also. This is the place where by default your programs will run. Main thing is pip that you need to install. Click on to next. And this now it is asking you the path. So what I can do is I can just browse the path wherever I want to, but this is the place where you need to take care of. So you can go to your this PC and you can go to C drive, and here you can create a custom Python folder, a new folder here, name it as Python. This is the place where you should install your Python. So I'll now go to the setup and I'll click on to browse, and I'll select that folder which I've created in this PC in C drive. I'll just select that Python folder and press OK. And you can also tick onto this install Python 3.13 for all users also. This will enable Python to be installed for all users. Just click on to install. And as soon as you click on to install, it will ask you yes or no, and it will get installed. Okay guys, so now the setup is installed. Now still the setup is not over yet. Do not click anywhere here. Just click on to close. You don't have to click on disable path length. Just close it. Don't click onto that. Just close it. Now to check if the installation is ready and installed in your system, you can search for CMD in the search bar, and after opening the CMD, you can search for Python space dash dash version. Now, when you click enter, you see that it says Python was not found. This is how you can check if the Python is installed into your system or not. Right now, after even installing the folder, installing the setup, it is not able to recognize, because we have installed Python in a custom place and we need to add or tell the computer where it is installed actually. So what I'll do is I'll close up this command prompt and I need to search on our search bar, edit system environment variable. This pop-up will come. You just have to click onto it, and here in this window you can see this small option icon here called as environment variables. Just go into this, and under the system environment variables you have to search for path. This path, click on to edit, and here where you have installed Python, that path need to be added. So we will go to our folder where we have installed Python in the C drive in the Python folder, and we will copy this path. We'll right click and copy this, and we'll go back here. I'll click on to new, and then I'll just paste that path. So here this way the path is going to be added. I'll press enter so that it is confirmed that it is added. And after that I'll just click on to OK, and then OK, and then everything OK, done. Your installation is done, guys. Now if you go back into your CMD and if you search for this command, you can type your Python space dash dash version, and if you press enter here, now you see it is recognized. And this is the easiest way and the fastest way of installing Python in a custom location without worrying anything. This way you know where Python is installed in your C drive in Python folder, plus your Python can be recognized by the machine. And this is how in 2025 you can install Python in your systems, in your Windows machine. Well, this was it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have understood this really well. If you have any doubts or problems related to it, please tell us in the comment section below and we will try to clear your doubts as much as possible. Well, this is Ashang David signing off. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade, and also click that bell icon also so that you won't miss any future updates also. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.